If you have a young child and education costs are on your mind, you are probably looking at child plans. At some point, someone has mentioned ULIP, market linked returns, life cover, tax benefits. It sounds like a good fit. But is it actually the right vehicle for your child's education goal? The answer depends on four things. And by the end of this video, you will know how to apply all four to your own situation. A child ULIP is a unit linked insurance plan built for parents who want to build a corpus for their child's future. It combines life insurance for the parent and a market linked investment that grows over time. When the plan matures, the payout goes towards the child's education or other goals. All child plans in India are regulated by IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. The child ULIP works like a standard ULIP with one critical addition: the waiver of premium benefit. Part of your premium goes towards life cover on the parent. The rest is invested in market linked funds. The payout at maturity is the fund value accumulated over the policy term. What makes it purpose built for education planning is the timeline. Child ULIPs are typically structured to mature around the time the child turns 18, giving the investment enough time to benefit for long-term market growth. Here are the four things you check before buying any child ULIP. Factor 1. Fund performance track record. A child ULIP invests your money in market-linked funds. Returns are not guaranteed. Before buying, check how the funds offered have performed over at least 5 to 10 years. Look for consistency, not just one good year. Factor 2. Waiver of premium benefits. This is the most important feature of any child plan. Confirm it is included and check whether it is built into the base plan or needs to be added as a separate rider. Factor 3. Lock-in period. IRDAI mandates a minimum 5-year lock-in for all ULIPs. You cannot assess your money for the first 5 years. After the lock-in, partial withdrawals are typically allowed. Check whether they affect the sum assured before buying. Factor 4. Fund switching flexibility. A child ULIP lets you move between equity, debt, and balanced funds within the plan. When a child is young and the goal is 10 to 15 years away, equity funds give your money room to grow. As the education year approaches, you shift to debt funds to protect what you have built. Most plans offer 4 to unlimited free switches per year. The waiver of premium benefits deserves its own explanation because it is what separates a child plan from any other savings product. Say you take a child ULIP today. Your child is 3. The plan runs for 15 years. In year 7, something happens to you. Without a waiver of premium, the plan may lapse because no one is paying the remaining premiums. The corpus your child was counting on never reaches its target. With the waiver of premium benefit, the insurer pays all future premiums on your behalf. The plan continues until maturity. Your child receives the full corpus as planned. According to ABSLI, this benefit keeps the plan active even if the parent passes away or becomes permanently disabled during the policy term. Before buying any child plan, confirm the waiver of premium is included, covered both death and permanent disability, and is not an optional add-on that can be missed. Both are regulated by IRDAI. A child ULIP is market linked. Your investment grows based on fund performance. Over a horizon of 10 to 15 years, equity funds have historically delivered stronger growth. But returns are not guaranteed. If markets fall near the education year, your corpus may be lower than expected. The fund switching feature helps manage this risk. Move to debt funds 3 to 5 years before the goal. A traditional child plan offers guaranteed return. You know the maturity amount before you buy. Returns are typically lower but certain. It suits parents who need certainty over growth. Neither is universally better. If you have 12 or more years and are comfortable with market-linked growth, a child ULIP is worth evaluating. If your timeline is shorter or certainty matters more, a traditional child plan may be the right fit. Here is a 5-step process to decide. Step 1. How many years until the education goal? A child ULIP works best with 10 or more years. Shorter timelines reduce the equity component's ability to recover from market dips. Step 2. What is your risk comfort? If market uncertainty concerns you, a traditional guaranteed plan is the safer choice. Step 3. Are you clear on all charges? Child ULIPs include premium allocation, fund management, and mortality charges, which are higher in the early years. Know the full cost before committing. Step 4. Is the waiver of premium included? It's highly recommended. Confirms it covers both death and permanent disability before signing. Step 5. Do you have separate life cover? A child ULIP sum assured is limited. IRDAI guidelines cap it at up to 10 times the annual premium. For adequate family protection, a separate term plan is needed alongside the child ULIP. ABSLI offers child plans including the ABSLI Anmol Akshya for guaranteed milestone-based savings and ULIPs-based returns for market-linked growth. Details are at the link in the description. Before I wrap up, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about child ULIPs. What is waiver of premium in a child insurance plan? Waiver of premium keeps the child plan active even the parent passes away or becomes permanently disabled. Future premiums are waived and the plan continues until maturity. It is the single most important feature to check in any child plan. What happens to a child ULIP if the market falls during the education year? This is the key risk of the market-linked child plan. Most child ULIPs allow fund switching. Move from equity to debt funds 3 to 5 years before the education goal to protect the corpus from market volatility. Is a child insurance plan is the same as child ULIP? No. A child insurance plan is a broad category including both market-linked plans like ULIPs and traditional plans with guaranteed returns. A child ULIP offers market-linked growth while a traditional child plan offers guaranteed but typically lower returns. You just figured out something most parents miss. Whether a child ULIP is right or not, you now know exactly what to look for. Hit like, subscribe and find ABSLI child plan details in the description.